Forgot password ba? No problem. Gamit lang ang program na ito, maa-unlock mo o marireset mo ang password ng walang kahirap-hirap. Una, isaksak ang ating USB recovery tools. Pagkatapos, i-restart ang ating unit o ang ating computer. Select boot priority. Of course, USB is the first boot. Keep on pressing your default function keys. Then, just enter Lace Recovery Software. On this part, just follow the video steps and instructions. Bali, madali lang po ang part na to. Tech man kayo or hindi, click yes, tapos konting next. Bali dito, select nyo po yung user account nyo po na may password, then next lang po. Dito naman, now click reset unlock button. And that's it. We successfully remove or reset our password. Tapos, restart na lang po natin. At before restarting po, make sure po na natanggal na po natin yung USB. And for those sa mga nangailangan ng computer services, send us some messages po para matulungan po namin kayo. For more info about this product, please visit us on Facebook. Salamat!